visiting Jubail Mangrove Park. This is the Jubail Mangrove Park. We are in the entrance of it. In the Jubail Mangrove Park, we have no fear of corona because it's a safe place, and we all should compulsory wear mask.
Yes.
They also check our temperature before leaving us inside. So we are also checking our temperature. After the temperature checkup, we have to take tickets for our family to enter the mangrove park.
My father is taking the tickets.
There are cafeterias available also here.
If we want, we can drink coffee or tea.
Now we are entering the mangrove walk. There are many mangrove trees.
Yes.
Jubail Mangrove Park is the first self-contained educational, nature and leisure destination of its kind in the Emirate of Abu Dhabi.
Here you can visit and explore a haven for avian and marine species native to Abu Dhabi. But for most, this is a mangrove sanctuary.
Yes, there are many mangroves here. It's greenery.
Yeah, mangrove trees around and with some rivers.
It's like I can dive inside the water.
Yeah, me too.
This is the floating platform. In the floating platform, there is fun for children that we can jump on it.
Yeah. Wow.
But
What about
the rope will take care of us without falling because it's a strong rope.
The net is very bouncy.
It's hard to jump. Now we are going to continue our journey. There are some restrictions in this park. The park is monitored by CCTV camera 24 hours a day.
Swimming or diving into the water is not permitted.
No pets allowed.
No littering is allowed.
No smoking allowed.
No food or beverages allowed on the boardwalk.
We should do not lean or climb over the railings.
Toys, skating, the use of scooters and bicycles are not permitted in the park.
All parcels and bags are subject to a security check.
Yes.
We can see many mangroves. Now we are in the root of mangroves. Right, Kavi?
Yes.
Get to the bottom of the mangrove trees where a complex root system plays important role in coastal ecosystem. And we can see many fishes.
I think there are 10 million fishes over here.
There are small, tiny fishes. It's also a home to birds, fishes, crabs, etc.
Yeah.
And there is another feature about the root. The root coming out of the ground are so called something that is phenomone or something. No problem. Which are specified aerial roots that enables mangroves to breathe in habitats that have waterlogging soil. It's fun to walk on this broad way, very nice and see.
Oh my god, the river is. Oh my god, there is no river, only trees now.
Now we are at the viewing tower. The viewing tower we can see high away. The mangrove park is seen totally from the top of the viewing tower.
Yeah.
It's a high viewing towers.
We can see about like
1 million
1
square
million
meters. Now we can see the full mangrove park.
Yeah. What? There is only trees in the full mangrove park.
We can see even water.
But I can only see trees.
I can see water.
I can not see a drop of water also.
Just try to lean and see. It's so nice.
Yeah.
Now the water is floating. Now we are at the salt collection. Do you know what is salt collection, Kavi?
I don't know about it.
Okay, I'll tell you what is it. Salt collection is the place where they collect salt from the rivers and banks. This is the salt collector. In this, from the rivers, they collect the salt and keep it. Do you understand, Kavi? You're silent.
I think so. I don't know. I don't know. if
These
I
are the salt collectors. They collect salt from the rivers.
Uh-huh.
In the sea, they tell that in the sea there is lots of salt, right? Like that, the salt.
I think so.
Now we can see the little dry with water place.
Yeah.
And a
But
little that roots of the...
Are there rocks? That white thingy?
I think so. Who knows? And that is a very good thing, that is nature. So greenery and mangrove.
Oh. What a nice
There
view.
is so much air, fresh air.
The view is very nice.
And we can see a little greenish color in the water. It looks really good, Kavi. Right? Now we are in the beach platform. I love beach. You, Kavi?
I love beach very
I wish I can dive into that beach.
But we
But
cannot.
we can't.
Me too, same.
It's so nice in greenery. Thank you and hope you liked our video.
Yes.
Like, share, subscribe and comment down
Down
in the comment box. Thank you and keep on
Enjoy.
seeing the view.